is different. Every love's the same. Every love has memories. Every love has pain. I knew love at 20. I knew love at 9. But God's love I know right now is the sweetest love I'll ever find. Every town's familiar. Every town is strange. When you're feeling lonely, every town's the same. I have dreamed of Paris, and I have dreamed of Rome, but the touch of God's sweet love is the sweetest dream I've ever known. God, touch me in the silent shadow of the night. Hide me safely wrapped in your arms till the morning light. Every love remembers, every love forgets. I've had my share of sorrows, but I have no regrets. Love is made of silver, love is made of gold, but God's love that I know now is the sweetest love I'll ever know. But God's love that we know now is the sweetest love